A massive 7.6 magnitude earthquake has struck off the coast of the southern Philippines, raising fears of a devastating tsunami. And this is the part most people miss. The region is still reeling from a recent quake that left dozens dead. But here's where it gets even more alarming. The Philippines, nestled in the Pacific Ring of Fire, is no stranger to such disasters. Yet each event brings unique challenges. On Friday morning, officials scrambled to evacuate coastal villages as warnings of hazardous waves up to 10 feet high loomed over the archipelago. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. assured the public that rescue teams were on standby. But the question remains, can the country withstand yet another blow so soon after the September quake that displaced thousands in Cebu? Controversially, some experts argue that while natural disasters are inevitable in this region, the impact could be mitigated with better infrastructure and preparedness. What do you think? The earthquake, centered 38 miles southeast of Manay Town in Davao Oriental province, was caused by a shallow fault movement just 6 miles deep. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology warned of potential damage and aftershocks, while the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center in Honolulu flagged risks within 186 miles of the epicenter. In Davao City, home to 5.4 million people, children were evacuated from schools as a precaution. Meanwhile, Indonesian authorities issued tsunami alerts for regions as far as 170 miles away, urging residents to avoid beaches and riverbanks. Here's the kicker. Despite being one of the world's most disaster-prone nations, the Philippines faces an annual onslaught of about 20 typhoons and storms, stretching government and volunteer resources to their limits. Deputy Administrator Bernardo Rafaelito Alejandro IV of the Office of Civil Defense emphasized the urgency, stating, "We urge coastal communities to evacuate to higher ground immediately." Boat owners were also advised to secure their vessels and move inland. This latest quake comes just weeks after a 6.9 magnitude tremor killed at least 74 people in Cebu, raising questions about the country's resilience in the face of relentless natural threats. But here's a thought-provoking question. Are we doing enough globally to support countries like the Philippines, which bear the brunt of climate-related disasters? As the world watches, the Philippines once again finds itself at the mercy of nature's fury, leaving us to wonder, how can we better prepare for and prevent such catastrophic events? Share your thoughts in the comments below.